the 2023 and 2024 Volvo XC60 and plug-in hybrid XC60 Recharge, both midsize luxury SUVs, earned Top Safety Pick awards from the Insurance Institute for Highway Safety. To qualify for Top Safety Pick in 2023, a vehicle must earn good ratings in the driver's side small overlap front, passenger side small overlap front, and original moderate overlap front tests, as well as an acceptable or good rating in the updated side test. Acceptable or good headlights must be standard across all trims, and a front crash prevention system that earns an advanced or superior rating in the daytime vehicle-to-pedestrian evaluation must be available. For the higher tier Top Safety Pick Plus award, a good rating in the updated side test is required, and vehicles need to demonstrate advanced or superior performance in both the daytime and nighttime pedestrian tests. The two Volvos come with standard front crash prevention systems that earn superior ratings in the daytime evaluation and advanced ratings in the nighttime test, and all trims are equipped with acceptable rated LED reflector headlights. Acceptable ratings in the updated side test prevent both vehicles from qualifying for the Plus.